Go.
Hello tubers, we're up here on the unopened future Highway 460, 4-lane road near a house that hasn't been opened yet. It's supposed to be sometime this year, about 5 or 6 miles of brand new road. But as you can see, we got a load of the shop and we're going in to see what we can get out of it. It's a good load. We got the truck loaded down too. My whole purpose of making this video, because I stopped here to check my straps, is to first of all thank a few of you YouTubers that have went above and beyond to help me out, help me get my tools back. I said in the last video I didn't know if I was the kind of person to ask for help, but I was told by a wise person that if you pray for things to get better and then you reject help, why'd you pray for it to begin with? So I've just got to say, if and only if you can, I accept any help I can get. We're getting caught up on tools, but we got a long road ahead of me. Well, I say we because this ain't just me, it's my whole family. And if you'd like to donate to the cause, there'll be a link below to the PayPal. I don't do, we haven't fooled with anything else. PayPal is all we got, but if you want to be anonymous, let me know. If you don't, that's fine. I'd love to give a shout out to you. And this is why I'm doing this. I made that video and I went straight that night and watched another video of a well-recognized YouTubers who I will not name because I do not want to appear as if I'm putting them down in any way. But they're good people. I can tell, I've been watching them for years. They're obviously not hurting for money. One of them is a skilled mechanic and the other one is a celebrity, and they was asking for help. Okay, if they can ask for help, I'm in a bad spot. I don't feel too bad about asking. But anything is appreciated. We appreciate it a lot. I'm not begging, I'm just saying if you can, thank you. God bless you. And like and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. I'd like to get enough viewers to make it worth, to make more videos. I don't know how to thank those who have helped me so far. I'd like to mention them by name, but I'm afraid that they would rather remain anonymous, and I haven't asked. So you know who you are, and you have no idea how much me and my family appreciate it. Don't know how big of a step you have given me forward and moving on with my life. My camera operator's shaking her head yes. And she's right. I have replaced some of my prized possessions like my drill, my grinder. I can't live without those, and I've got some hand tools. I laid away a good air compressor, found a heck of a deal on it, and the money from this scrap metal is going to go to a payment on that. That's the goal anyway. So please like and subscribe, guys, and I'll try to make another video soon, and I greatly appreciate you. Later, everybody.